KTLA's Dave Malkoff has an up-close look at this much-anticipated test flight.
3, 2, 1.
Spaceships of the future landed somewhere odd recently.
Okay, you ready?
Downtown LA. The Spacecraft Technology Expo is open to the public, and it was our first time seeing the mock-up of the SpaceX Dragon capsule. The real thing is set to launch this Saturday unmanned to the International Space Station. They only let us shoot stills.
I'm Andrew Nelson. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at X-Corp Aerospace.
Andrew was more than happy to show us his brand new full-size mock-up, the first time in the U.S. This is the Lynx. Simply put, it's a space plane for space tourists. This is the cockpit. This is where people sit.
People will sit. And then here, you got the main fuselage, which is where all the liquid oxygen's held.
This is the gas tank.
One of the gas tanks.
Two fuels. When liquid oxygen mixes with kerosene, it burns very hot, very fast, allowing the Lynx to launch from a runway, light them up, and they are in space in less than 4 minutes. You're talking 62 miles above the Earth, right on the boundary of outer space.
And then, of course, my other spaceship is a Star Destroyer.
This is Darth Vader's bumper sticker right here.
Yeah, this is Darth Vader's bumper sticker.
While we wait for someone to invent a TIE fighter, these California companies are building a step ladder to space for all of us.
Absolutely. There's a price point for everyone.
Depending on how high above the Earth you want to go. Zero G offers weightless airplane rides for $5,000. Andrew's Lynx will take you up into actual space for $95,000. Sir Richard Branson is offering trips to space for $200,000. And then there's Space Adventures, $50 million for a ticket to the International Space Station, where you'll spend 12 weightless days above the blue curve.
So this is the pilot seat that you're in, and we call the person on the right the participant. And that's a legal definition. It's disclosed. This is a risky endeavor.
It's a dream almost every child has had, but until now, very few have made it happen.
Oh, wow.
Right now, just getting in the mock-up, seeing the rocket controls and the rear-view camera is cool.
This is actually awesome. My car has something like that where you can see the rear.
Yeah,
right?
nice.
You know, I remember running around, with my arms out and pretending I was a pilot.
Later, he worked at Cape Canaveral, saw the Challenger explode, and never became an astronaut. In December, he hopes the Lynx will see its first test flight.
I figured, you know what? If I stick to the, keep my nose to the grindstone and move forward, maybe one day I can work for a company or I can make enough money to do this myself. Maybe we got the first journalist in space.
Hey!
Yeah, hey, who knows?
We are going to hold you to that.
I said maybe, who knows?
Hey, it's on tape in downtown LA. Dave Malkoff, KTLA 5 News.
Make a couple dubs of that, Dave. We'll secure it for you. It was a sidewalk